Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn and discuss the topic types of networks. As we all know, a computer network means a group of networked computers, that is, computers that are linked by means of a communication system. A network can mean a small group of linked computers to a chain of a few hundred computers of different types spread around the world. Networks vary in size, complexity, and geographical spread. Let us discuss types of networks based on these parameters. Types of networks based on geographical spread. Based on geographical spread, network can be divided into two basic types: local area network (LAN) and wide area network (WAN). Let's discuss one by one. LAN, local area network, is a computer network that connects computers within a limited area such as a residence, school, office building, shopping mall, etc. The key purpose of LAN is to serve its users in resource sharing, that is, hardware as well as software resources. For instance, the users can share data, programs, printers, modem, hard disk, etc. Traditionally, LAN are said to have geographical spread up to 1 kilometer. In a typical LAN configuration, one computer is designed as the server. It stores all of softwares that controls the network and other resources that can be shared by the computers attached to the network. The computers attached to the server is called workstations. On most LANs, cables are used to connect the network interface cards in each computer. Wide area network. The WAN network spread across countries or on a very big geographical area. For example, Internet is a giant WAN. The WAN or Internet is called network of networks because it connects computers all over the world, forming a network, and all computers are also connected to each other. Hence, computers form a network, and when all join with the internet, that is called network of networks. Computers connected to WAN are often through public networks such as telephone system, leased lines, or satellites. There has been traditionally another type of network, Metropolitan Area Network (MAN), which refers to a network that is spread over an area as big as a city. But these days, this term has become irrelevant. Types of networks by component roles. Another parameter based on which you can classify networks is the role played by network computers in the network operation. On the basis of this, there can be two types of networks: peer-to-peer networks, client-server networks. Let us discuss one by one. Peer-to-peer networks. In peer-to-peer networks, there is no dedicated servers. Each computer can play the role of a client or a server. That means no computer is designed as in charge of network operation. Advantages: suitable for small networks. They are inexpensive, easy to install. Disadvantages: they are limited in scope, difficult to secure. Client-server networks. Unlike peer-to-peer networks, bigger networks prefer to have centralized control. In this network model, a dedicated server is used to control and coordinate the clients. This type of network is also known as master-slave networks. In client-server networks, client is a computing device on the network that requests and utilizes network resources. Server is a computer on the network dedicated to processing client's requests. For example, Websites are stored on web servers. A web browser is a client which makes a request to the server, and the server sends the website to the client. Types of network based on communication channel. Computer networks are formed when computers are connected with one another. The connections among the hosts are established using specific communication media. Based on this parameter, the network can be categorized as wired computer network and wireless computer network. In wired computer networks, the hosts and other devices connected through cables or wires. These are the commonly used wired networks. First one, twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is a pair of insulated wires that are twisted together. These are available in various forms such as category 1, category 2, category 3, etc. Second one, coaxial cable or coax. This type of cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shields, each separated by some kind of insulator. Commonly used coaxial cables are thick net and thin net cables. Third one, fiber optic cable or optical fiber cable or OFC. A fiber optic cable consists of a bundle of glass threads which is capable of transmitting messages in the form of light waves. Commonly used optical fiber cables are single node optical fiber cable and multi-node optical fiber cable. Wireless computer networks. The computer networks that use air or environment as the media through which information is transmitted without requiring any physical media or wires rather than electromagnetic waves like infrared, radio frequencies, satellites, etc. Example, if you connect all smartphones of your house and your laptop through a common Wi-Fi, it is a wireless network. Most commonly used transmission media in wireless networks are microwave, radio waves, satellites, etc. Microwave can be used to transmit signals such as mobile phone calls. Radio waves used to transmit TV and radio programs. Wi-Fi, that has become a common word today, also used radio waves. Satellite is a special case of microwave relay system. The satellites act as relay stations for communication signals. Satellites accept signals from Earth station, amplify them and retransmit to Earth station. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.